Hey everybody, Chris here. So was it Dogecoin that signaled the start of the altcoin season? Do we see that happening now with Bitcoin hitting its all-time high and maybe falling back and alts taking over as we have this left translated cycle? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And today, I'm mad at Bitcoin. That's right, I'm mad because we were on for 4 hours on Monday night, 4-hour live stream, waiting for Bitcoin to hit its all-time high. And it came within $200. It was so close. We were rooting for it. But didn't happen, fell back. But this morning it hits all-time high during George's live stream. Not mine, that's not fair. It's not fair. But you know what we did see? We did see Dogecoin hit 20 cents though. During our live stream last night, Doge at 20 cents. We were having a lot of fun with that. And where is Dogecoin now? And what is this about altcoin season? Let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start here by looking at the Dogecoin chart. And yes, we're having some profit taking going on now. Doge has come down to this 16-cent level. This was the support level we had before, and that's exactly where it dipped to. If you had a 15.9 limit order set to buy, because those were a lot of questions that we were getting on the live stream, was right there. That would have been the point right there. So it did hit it and now is coming back up. So profit taking happening. That's okay. This is where we were last night. Dogecoin hit 20 cents. That was very exciting, but it was just for a minute, and then it came back up. But that was a great occasion there that we had. Of course, Bitcoin this morning hitting 69K, came up to 69.2, and now profit taking happening all the way down to 65.2. So that is a big drop. This is 65K. This was the support line I had. Bitcoin hasn't quite hit it yet, but a lot of profit taking happening now after Bitcoin hits its all-time high. So that's what's generally going on in the market now. We will compare with some other coins in a minute. This is kind of the big action, though, that we have is Dogecoin leading the way. That's right, leading the way in terms of altcoin season. That's right, Dogecoin confirming full swing altcoin season. What is it that did it? Well, this is a fun article because we have Charles Hoskinson responding. That's right. What did we have last night? We had Dogecoin hitting 20 cents. And when that happened, we had Dogecoin actually flipped Cardano in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. And not only that, but for a few minutes, it actually flipped USDC when it was like 20.2 cents. It was high. It was number 7. It's fallen back a bit. Again, the meme coins selling off a little bit harder right now than the bigger cryptos. Not unexpected because they just went on these massive runs that we saw. So not totally unexpected to have these bigger red candles today for profit taking. Again, that's on the backs of Bitcoin with this big drop down. Well, it looks like we just had a tail coming down below 65K right there. That's classic resistance, support line in terms of looking at that. And what did we have for Doge, though? Again, with Doge looking at the trading for Doge going forward, it's going to turn back around. This is just some short-term profit taking that is happening now with Doge, with Shib, and others. So what else is going on? Charles, the moment Doge flips Cardano, it's officially alt season, kids. So Charles recognizes it. He is kind of having fun with it, though, because he knows, right? He knows. But it's funny because Cardano Bet says, this shows you watch the price. And Charles responded, oh, believe me, the people who do definitely remind me when the Doge comes roaring. So Charles is aware. But he knows Cardano is going to do fine long term, just like Doge. I mean, we're all going to go forward. We just had a little fun with it last night that Doge flipped Cardano just for a short period of time. What else is going on? Crypto analyst sees Dogecoin reaching $0.50, says Doge has plenty more left in the tank. That's right. We know that this is going to be a long bull market season. This is just a quick little pullback. Totally expected that would happen. And of course, right on the heels of Bitcoin hitting 69K as well. So here's the actual Kaleo post that we had. And he actually started back in February 27th, before Dogecoin started moving. He was predicting on a Doge BTC pair that Doge would break out against Bitcoin, and said on February 29th as well, the pump hasn't even started yet. March 2nd, slowly but surely the dog will continue to run. That is as Doge was starting to trade up, not only on its own, but also versus Bitcoin. And then today, a reminder, Doge has plenty more left in the tank. So what do we see that? Well, let's zoom out to the 4-hour chart here, and we'll see on Dogecoin, yes, we had this big movement on Doge up that actually started back here on the 25th of February. That is when Doge started moving. That was actually sooner than most other alts. Shib did not really start running until like the 28th. And even then, it was just very minor. And it wasn't until March 1st when Shib started taking off. Pepe did actually start to move around that same time as Doge, but then just meteoric rise again starting on the 1st of March. But we want to look at this Doge BTC trading pair, because that is what we were looking at. Again, back down here, we were down at 16. Down at 16, and I said, that's going to be the bottom. We're going to see that flip around, and it did. We came up to 30, and I think it's going to go higher. Doge is going to go on a second leg of a big run that's going to happen, but not right now. It's going to take a little while. This is still early bull market season, and by no means is the bull market done. So that's a quick look at the charts. And Dogecoin, key metric, gives bullish signals. And what is that? We've been talking about but the open interest, the surge in open interest, not only whales accumulating Dogecoin, we're seeing it in the whale wallets. There's a lot of buying of Doge, knowing where Doge is going to go in the future. But we also have leveraged longs, short positions, because it's markets and it's trading. Look, we had leveraged longs liquidated, we had shorts liquidated, and then again, leveraged longs just liquidated again with these big moves down. That's liquidating a lot of long positions, betting on all of these prices to continue to go up. So if you're trading with leverage or you're shorting, good luck. You may be able to get some short-term gains, but overall, it's gambling. Be careful with that. Dogecoin surge is 77% fueled by bullish market and whale accumulation. Again, it's the same thing, is preparing for what's coming now. The questions I mostly get is, when's a good time to buy and when do I sell? Well, I can't tell you that. That's your own choice. But right now, as we're looking at right around 16 cents, seems like a good entry position. We got to see how this plays out right now. Zooming in again a little bit closer to the 1 hour, we got to see if there's going to be more profit taking happening, a little bit more of a pullback. We're in the middle of it right now. We'll see how that goes forward. And then on the Shib side, Shib Army rejoices as Shiba Inu now dangerously close to overtaking Dogecoin. Well, we last saw this back in the fall of 2021. Shib did actually overtake Doge for just a day, but that's when Shib was in all the hype mode there. Could that happen again? Yeah, possibly. We see Shib here at number 10, Doge at number 9. They're separated by like $4 or $5 billion, But we saw the momentum run that Shib went on. Look, over 7 days, up over 200%. Doge up 71%. That's pretty good for the week. But we're seeing, these big pullbacks. Look at Shib down now. In the last hour, down 20%. Doge down 11%. So big pullback, a lot of profit taking happening. When are they going to jump back in? Well, we'll see what happens with this. The one thing I don't like about this is Shib Army rejoicing. I mean, we're all in this crypto together. There's not really a competition. So although we kind of had fun with Cardano, but that was only because of Charles. During the live stream last night, we had a little fun with that. But with Shib, we don't want to see the Shib Army rejoicing. We're all together. Shib is doing fine. It's got its own Shibarium and Shiba Swap and, making this metaverse game and NFTs and all of that, giving utility to Shib. And Doge will have its, hopefully on X payments. That would be awesome. Doge as a currency is what we've been talking about. So if Shib does overtake Doge in market cap, that just means that's good for all of crypto. It's all of crypto. We have entry points for new people coming into crypto, whether it's Doge or Shib or whatever. Eventually, they learn about Bitcoin, buy some Bitcoin. Well, it's all good for the whole of cryptocurrency there. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below about this move of retracement here, profit taking, and the excitement we had of Doge hitting 20 cents. And of course, Bitcoin, if you want to talk about Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, that's good too. Anyway, give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.